Are we able to see an example of the electrode maker portion of the software? Now, that's a good question. I saw that it makes electrodes, but I haven't seen anything. Do we have anything like that, or do you think we could maybe dig something up?
Yeah, give me a minute here just to launch Mastercam again.
If Dennis can pull a rabbit out of his hat,
uh,
maybe even show it here.
I'll try my best here. Let's see. Okay, I do have something. I don't know if you're able to see that.
Yes, I can see that. The electrode maker, that's for a sync EDM, right?
Yeah, typically, yeah, for sync EDMs, so you got to cut out the electrode shape and then being able to run it on the EDM or what they call those plunge EDMs or sync EDMs. So this would be a part that would need to have a mold made to it. So first, we'll set up a quick mold to make on it. Notice that it works with the Mastercam levels here and quickly create our mold separation. I click the button, I hit the green check mark, and it's done. So you can see how quickly it created the mold portion and the core and the cavity, and I put it on separate levels. So if I were going to create this like a sync EDM for these three slots here, this is the electrode creator tool. And we can go ahead and create a new electrode. Okay, and then we basically we can select our surfaces here, and then we can go ahead and quickly, if I hold shift, what it does is it grabs all the surfaces right there. And we can also turn on show selected surfaces so we can quickly verify basically what our electrode is going to look like. And hit the green check there. Typically, we'll put like a little lead on that, right? So we can go ahead and preview kind of a little extension there. Then we'll create a draft, preview that. And then for our raw stock, this is going to be kind of your holder, your tool holder, and your raw stock um, for your electrode. So I you might have to set up your own tool library or tool holders depending on what you have. This one, I do have some just kind of standard 3R holders in here. So go ahead and hit OK on that. And you can see how quickly I was able to build that out. And if I wanted to do, another one real quick, you just kind of keep going at it. Hit this guy here. And the same thing, preview, draft, preview, raw stock, pick your holder. And if you need to change some of the sizes, it tries to fit the size of your material exactly with what you have or what needs to be defined basically based on the shape. But you can go ahead and change all that information for your raw stock size and then hit OK. And there you go.
Awesome.
So pretty quick, and just kind of keep at it. This works off of the surfaces here directly. You can also do the same thing off of a solid model or a full solid body. So the electrode maker is just super easy to work with, and also just being able to create the mold separation by literally 2 clicks is the I think that's the coolest thing ever.